Hi, I'm Michelle Mace, instructor with the Barefoot Masters. I'm here at the FSMTA Ashiatsu Massage Stretch Training class, which is a facilitated stretching with a Thai influence. You can even add PNF work where appropriate. Learn how to give your clients what they need without bending over or wearing yourself out. Add longevity to your massage career by learning how to stretch with your feet. There's no special equipment needed, and for balance, you can use the back of a chair or our portable Ashiatsu floor bars. It's ready at a moment's notice. You can use it in the office or mobile house calls. Use it as a marketing tool for outdoor events. Take control of your future today. Want to learn more? Go to thebarefootmasters.com. Want to see more? Follow us.